This is a 27 risk reward trade.
Order filled.
There we are. Kill, that's the account. 3,000. Okay, it's done with.
Order filled.
Order filled. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Yo.
Order filled.
Oh, up another 30. What's going on? New strap.
Order filled.
Holy shit, you guys. What is going on? We're up 517. What is going on? You can't leave the table when you're hot. What? All right, everyone. Welcome into the stream. Welcome to day number 16 of my funded futures account on TopStep X. We are heavy into drawdown, so I'm going to crack down on risk management, and I'm not going to blow this thing. We're going to be trading with pretty low contract sizes, like just like one contract, and we're gonna claw our way out of this thing. What's up to everyone in the stream, the live? Good stuff. And just a few things to say before. We had a few just family issues within the West, like our team here, so we weren't able to roll out enough videos kind of on pace that we have before, but the issues I believe are kind of starting to dissolve now, so you guys will see us pick back up. And it's actually nice that this is a lighter week for trading. So we'll be done and we'll be back on schedule here right away. But I just want you guys to know that like we're not slowing down. If anything, we're picking everything up here. So make sure to go follow the Instagram, guys. Links are in the Discord, Wesley Socials. Make sure to go follow the Instagram. I just kind of post from time to time on there. And then thirdly, if you're watching this on YouTube, go to the link in the description. There is a Discord link to join and talk to a ton of like-minded people. It's 1,000,000% free, and we got quite the active community, which I think is awesome, and I think would help a lot of people out there. So if you're kind of pretty serious into trading, feel free to join that. Like that'd be awesome. We'd love for that. We'd love to have you too. I kind of want to continue to look for shorts. Reading what he said here, I'll try to find it. I believe it is in general chat. Let's take a look. Okay, so this is what he sent. This was a tweet that did that. 2 weeks ago, China was in grave economic danger. The very high tariffs I set made it virtually impossible for China to trade into the United States marketplace, which is by far #1 in the world. Blah blah blah. Cold turkey with China was devastating for them. Many factories closed, and there was, to put it mildly, civil unrest. I saw what was happening and didn't like it for them, not for us. I made a fast deal with China in order to save them from what I thought was going to be a very bad situation, and I didn't want that to happen. Because of this deal, everything quickly stabilized and China got back to business as usual. Everybody was happy. That is the good news. The bad news is that China, perhaps not surprisingly to some, has totally violated its agreement with the US. So much for being Mr. Nice Guy. Yo, so that and the headlines, like China violates its agreement with the US. Like how long did it go for this move? Just a sell off right here. But it was kind of crazy. So honestly, looking for shorts today. So after that tweet, that's kind of my bias. So let's open up our fucking notebook. Let's do it. Let's take a look. Boys, I kind of like cut my hand hiking. We were at the peak near where I took that picture and started sliding a little bit. Here we go. #1, what's my weekly bias? Probably bullish. Yeah, it is. 2 daily, right? We sweep these 2 highs. Yeah, I'm looking for lower. #3, the new #3 is the 4-hour. What's the 4-hour price action doing? 4-hour price action, bullish. Did we just make an inverse fair value gap? Hella? Yes. Look at this, fucking almost identical. That's an inverse fair value gap on the 4-hour, boy. #4, 1-hour key levels. Let's mark these out. Let's go through. Let's mark them out. Boom. 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 Those are kind of the relative key levels that we're seeing and that we're probably going to deal with. All right, #5, 15-minute target areas. Most often than not, they're kind of the exact same. #6, let's look for an SMT. All right, SMT let's look for a 1-hour liquidity sweep. We kind of saw one to the upside. We see the lower low here, but we kind of want to see a continuation. Bro, I would bring bear spray into the city of Canada. Yeah, seriously. Yeah, you kind of need it. Yeah. We're talking about bears. That's why we're bears today. What are we thinking like for entry? We have a few confluences. So I've been back testing this change in state of direction that you guys are talking about because I honestly feel like my strategy could be a little bit better, or I can add something, right? So I'm honestly going to start using that. So we have the change in state of direction at the top here. We have this fair value gap that we kind of come in and wick to, and then we have this high that's also kind of protecting it. Guys, I kind of want to enter a short here just on MNQ based off that. The change in state of direction, super bearish activity. We have these which were closed through. Technically this gap was closed through as well, but we instantly like can't hold the close, so I wouldn't really call it a strong close. And we almost finished it bearish engulfing. Okay, so I'm gonna sell here.
Order filled.
Okay, let's make a trade slip quick. Kind of shitty buy spot, but I do think that with this massive bearish momentum, the change in state of direction, I think it's awesome. I think it's a really great tool to use within trading. So the CISD, we struggle to close above the imbalance and then instantly fall off the face of the planet. And then we come up, test it again, fall off. So from my understanding, that's kind of what I know. Liquidity sweep plus a breaker structure. So honestly, pretty much. Yo, what the hell is this? Tickle my take profit? Yeah, if I get stopped out here, no biggie whatsoever. I'm excited that you guys are seeing like a rough patch in my trading. Again, I'm not just showing you guys like the good parts of trading. I'm actually super pumped for that. Yeah, we got order filled there. Yeah, we got $50 worth of down draw left here. So we're gonna kind of see if we can claw back with one more trade, and then if not, who cares, man? Like, we're just going to keep going. Okay, well, off this break, we're going to enter here.
Order filled.
We'll go down to 50. So below this, and I inverse here. Take that there. I'm just kind of throwing a Hail Mary here. Not going to lie. $46 to work with. Push.
JJ.
JJ's from Germany.
And he's been to a game.
Yeah, he's been to that. 1, 2, 1, 7, 2. 3, 3, 1, 7, 2.
Order filled.
There we are. We got $4. So let's just kind of get it over with. Let's get this drawdown. How crazy would it be if I turn this around after $4 down draw? You guys, we might bang out a 27 risk reward trade here.
Order filled.
There we are. Okay, well, that's the account. 3,000. Okay, it's done with. Honestly, kind of relief. You can probably get another trade off. My bro is telling, let's go. He wanted to blow. You haven't get a pop-up saying it's done. Yeah, should we just like full port with like, should we try?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Would it let us do this?
Order filled.
Take a quick profit there? What? Why is it not? You can see it. W scalp. No, I don't think that would work. We do.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
7 million. There's no way this works. I hit my down draw.
Order filled.
That's another scalp. Imagine bro gets a payout from this. Okay, let's try one more. Boom.
Order filled.
Oh, let's go another 5. Boom.
Order filled.
Oh my god. Okay, we enter short here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, up another 30. Let's do another one.
Order filled. Order filled.
Holy shit, you guys. What is going on? We're up 517. What is going on? You can't leave the table when you're hot. What? Dude, look at these exits. Wick down, exit. Wick up, wick down, exit. Wick up, wick down, exit. Wow, that's great. I actually can't get over that. See you, fellas. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my god,
That's
dude.
actually wild.
What the hell?
Saved by the bell.
Save.